Hey, what's up, y'all? I am headed in today to go get an inspection done on my 2007 Chevrolet Avalanche, and my check engine light is on. So I'm gonna pull this all the way back so I have some gauge off of. All right, and we're gonna go 1, 2. Move this. This ain't safe. I don't do that. That just appeared there somehow. All right. Check engine light's still on. I'm gonna go 1 on the brake, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! That's how it's done. 2007 Chevrolet. Probably run you 2007, 2008 to 2012. Right around in that range. But man, that's the fast and easy way to do it. Instead of, I've seen some people on here advertising putting Scotch tape or black tape over it. Come on, man. Come on, man. All right.